What's up, everyone? Just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to make a 3D voxel. So we're going to go to create and then Voxa. I have my teleporter here that I made from the original tutorial, but the menus are a little bit different, so we're going to create a new project here. This is a default model. We're just going to delete it. So the group has a bunch of objects associated with it. You can put them into a group. So when you click on it, it will select the whole thing, and then you can move it around or rotate it, or we can just delete it. So if we don't want to use this model, we can just select the group and hit backspace, and it'll delete it. And then here we'll just give it a name and save it. So next time it'll be in our menu. And then the menu here is different than the original tutorial, so we have to create an object over here to get the menu with all the options on the side. So I'm going to right click over here and say create object. And then we're going to right click again and say edit object. And then if you want to group them together like you saw in the default model, you can group here. But if we're just going to make something simple, we can edit the one object, and then you can go back to the original menu here, or edit in an individual object here, and this gives you the menu that you see in the other tutorial. So I can hold right click and I can rotate around. I can zoom in and out with the mouse wheel, and then if I hold the mouse wheel I can shift it around like that. And so you have some tools over here. This will move your voxel. This will build voxels one at a time. And if you want to see the grid, click on this. So that's useful, so you can see the space that you have for one object. This creates voxels one at a time, and it'll build them on top of each other. If you click on top of another one, I can select a group like that and get rid of them if I want to. So this one at a time, this will erase voxels. So if I put them here and I want to erase them one at a time, I can just do this. Just click on them. This is nice. It'll just build like a sheet of voxels. So if I want to make a sheet here, I do that, and then I can give it a height here by letting go of the mouse button and then moving it up or down. So in the demo to build the teleporter, they just make it one high. I can fill it with a color. So this will paint individual voxels, whatever color I want. This will fill connected voxels. And then this will pick up a color if you want to copy a color. This you can change the height if you want to change it later. This will erase individual voxels. So in the demo they kind of gave it like this little side cutout here, kind of like that. And then you can just build layers on top of that. So then you can make another box on top of this, and then maybe another, like a little outline here. Actually, this let's see. Yeah, there we go. So this could be like the teleporter here that you step into, and then if I want to paint the inside, maybe we'll color the inside of the teleporter. I think if you use this flood tool, it'll flood the whole thing because they're all connected, so you got to paint them individually here. So you can paint that however you want. You can subtract pieces here if you want to give it some more little fanciness. You can like dot some colors up here. And then you could imagine that you could just jump in there if you hook a script up to it, you can have it teleport you somewhere else on the map when you walk onto that square. And then when you go back, now you have this object that you can group with other stuff in your model if you want to continue from there. Alright, that is all for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace out.